The Steering Roaming Telco Dataspace, presented by IntegraTouch, sponsored by Vodafone and Orange. The Steering Roaming Dataspace agenda. We will discuss goals, solutions, and scope of the Steering Roaming Dataspace, data flows, carrier policy management, governance, and operations, and the benefits this catalyst will provide to the parties involved. Today's roaming policies are static in nature due to lack of real-time data sharing. MNOs can form a steering roaming data space to share network service data, performance analytics, tap information, UE, user equipment behavior, network slice statistics, and the volume price per the SLA, allowing dynamic roaming steering policy updates. The Carriers OSS BSS will be critical for dataspace configuration, delivery, orchestration, and management and operations. This dataspace originates from a home MNO that contains metadata of all roamers' CDRs, SMS, and data session records connected to their network. A home and visited IDS connector allows usage statistics to be collected in 15-minute intervals for each UE ID. Data is stored in the federated broker and passed to the steering roaming app for processing. The results are then filtered and sent to the home PCF for steering. This is a representation of the dataset used to transfer usage statistics. As an example, you can see this information will include single slice information for a specific MSISDN for the time slice. Traffic predictions will be collected and processed, and then a list of UEIDs will be sent to the home PCF for steering. Steering information will be sent to the home PCF. This information will be in the steering format for each UEID to be steered. Symphony's Carrier Policy Management System can be used to manage data governance by carrier. Here we track relevant carrier information like the VPLMN, MCC, and MNC codes. Also within the carrier policy management, the data privacy policy is maintained. The availability of each data element is defined for different areas within the telco dataspace for each carrier. This allows the MNO to easily manage its data sharing and privacy policies. Global steering roaming data needs to be visible to ensure service enablement, quality of service, capacity planning, and revenue monetization benefits. This dashboard gives an overview of the entire telco dataspace and its operation, providing the MNOs real-time data visibility. The map depicts the MNOs with their current MCC, MNC, and their roamers within the dataspace. Total roamer count by day, carrier-specific roamers, as well as other dataspace items represented here. The visualization of roaming steering data will entice other carriers to join the MNO's roaming agreements. The dataspace must be easily managed, auditable, and integrated with the MNO's OSS. The Symphony Dataspace Operations Portal will monitor dataspace alarms, mediation, and input batches performance acceptance and rejection, ensuring all processes within the dataspace are functioning properly. Benefits to the consumer include decrease in roaming costs while having increased data privacy, service offerings, and roaming quality of service, resulting in a superior customer experience. Benefits to the carrier include increased data sharing and collaboration, revenue via new service offerings and roaming partnerships, cross-data analytics, resulting in reduced churn while adhering to regulatory compliance requirements,